I'm Stuart, founder of Babylon Vertical Farms. Today we're here at our farm at the Garage KL, and this is Growing with Farmers. Some of the things we're going to need: trays. What we use over here is a 2-tray system. We use square trays. The bottom tray has no holes in it. This allows us to collect water and water the plants whenever the roots reach through. The top tray has holes poked through so the roots can reach through and reach the water in the bottom tray. Secondly, we're going to need a bag of soil. Now this bag of soil is special. It's a proprietary mixed blend of vermiculite, perlite and organic soil. This is fully organic and this is how we grow our microgreens. We're also going to need some seeds. What we have over here is 2.5 grams of red garnet amaranth seeds. Last but not least, we water our microgreens using this 3-liter garden sprayer. Now you can use any regular sprayer you have at home. The only objective of this is so that we can mist the seeds and the soil and allow them to germinate in the early stages. So the first step is we're going to use the bag of soil. What we usually do is we take 2 handfuls of our soil and we place it to the tray. Now after you've laid out the soil, specifically for amaranth seeds, we want to make sure that the soil is not too compact around the tray. Now we just want to spread it out like so. Get rid of any chunks, smash it up a bit. Just evenly spread it out across the 4 corners. But don't press it down too much because we don't want it to be too compact. After you've pressed the soil down already, not too tight again, might I remind you. What we usually do when we seed our plants, when we seed our trays of microgreens, we do salt-based style. So we take a pinch of seeds and we spread out evenly all over the tray like so. Now after the tray is seeded, what we usually do, we take our 3-liter gardening spray, we spray it like so. Then we take a plastic cover, cover the tray like this. Now if you don't have a plastic cover like this at home, that's perfectly fine. What you can use, perhaps cling film in your kitchen or something like that, is just fine enough to cover the tray. All we want to do is, after it's covered, put it under a blackout dome. We create a blackout dome over the microgreens. So this allows it to germinate without sunlight. Now microgreens, when seeds germinate the first time, they don't actually need sunlight to germinate in the first few days. You can leave it like this and you don't have to water it, especially if you cover it with cling foil wrap. You can leave it for about 4 to 5 days, and then only after that you can remove the cling foil wrap and then put it under the sun. Now, after you leave it under the sun for an extra 2 days, for a total of 1 week of growing after you've seeded your amaranth microgreens, will grow to something like this. Now, once your microgreens have grown, if you remember earlier in the video, we mentioned about a 2-tray watering system. Now this is how you do it. So we will lift up the top tray. You can see underneath, the roots are reaching through. What we usually do is, we take about less than 100 milliliters of cold water and we water the bottom tray like this. Now once you have roughly about this much of water, of cold water in the bottom tray, just lay the top tray on top. And there you have it, red garnet amaranth microgreens. That's all guys, thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you from all of us here at Babylon Vertical Farms.